Welcome to Video 2, Creating and Organizing Content. Creating and organizing content in Google Classroom is essential for delivering a seamless and effective learning experience. By strategically structuring assignments, materials, and resources, educators can enhance accessibility, foster engagement, and ensure students can easily navigate their coursework. In this session, we'll explore how to create and organize content to maximize the impact of your Google Classroom. Let's get started. To add any content, go to the Classwork tab and click Create. Choose from different options. Assignment is for tasks with due dates. Quiz assignments are for assessments. Questions are what we'll talk about in Video 3. Materials are for resources like readings or presentations. And then you can reuse posts or create a topic to organize content into sections. The first thing we'll look at is creating an assignment in Google Classroom. Assignments are essential for sharing tasks, collecting student work, and grading submissions. Let's follow these steps to create an assignment in Google Classroom. The first thing you're going to do at the top under Title is fill in the assignment details, such as AI Ethics Reflection Paper. Use the instructions box to provide clear directions for the tasks, such as what students need to do, how they should submit their work, or potential deadlines and formatting requirements. You can also add attachments. This is optional. Drive will attach files directly from your drive. YouTube will share a YouTube video link. Create will give you multiple options such as docs, slides, sheets, drawings, and forms. You can also upload from your computer or add a hyperlink directly into your assignment. If you attach something from Google, such as a Google Docs, you'll have the option here for a drop-down for students can view, students can edit, or make a copy for each student. If you choose make a copy for each student, whenever students go into this assignment in Google Classroom and they click it, they'll automatically get a copy, and the copy will be attached to their assignment and their submission. On the right, you can set assignment parameters, such as assign to, where you can customize to assign to the entire class, or assign to specific students, for example, for differentiated instruction. For points, you can specify the maximum score or leave as unmarked. For the due date, you can click the calendar to set the deadline, and if there's no deadline needed, you can leave that blank. In the topic section, you can organize the assignments by selecting or creating a topic, for example, Week 2, AI Basics. And in the rubric section, you can add or create a grading rubric for the assignment, which is optional. When you have finalized your assignment and the parameters, you can go to the top right of the screen and you have multiple options for assign. You can either assign the post immediately, which is the first option. You can schedule to post at a later time, or you can save draft to return to later. Finally, you can discard draft if you made any mistakes and you want to start over. Once you hit assign, there are multiple ways to manage the assignment. The first is in the Classwork tab. You can click on the assignment. The next is to go into grades and look at student submissions after they have submitted the assignment. Finally, you can go into Stream and see your post here. Clearly communicate deadlines, expectations, and rubrics in assignments to have better results. Assignments in Google Classroom streamline the teaching process, making it easier to manage tasks and track student progress. Next, we'll look at adding a hyperlink into our class. So the first thing you can do is get the hyperlink, such as your class website for one of the weeks or modules, and then go back and go into Classwork in Google Classroom and click Create. There are different options to post links. You can post through an assignment, you could post through material, or you could post through a question. Let's check out material. You can title your material, such as Module 1, Week 1, and then you can go to Link and paste your link. Now, after you post, you'll see it under Classwork and Stream, and in both locations, it'll bring you to the class website for that module. The final step is adding a topic in Google Classroom. Topics help organize your class materials, assignments, and discussions, making it easier for students to navigate your Google Classroom. Here's how to add a topic. In the Classwork tab, you're going to click Create. At the bottom of the drop-down, you'll see Topic. You can enter the name of your topic. For the name of our topic for this example, we're going to name it Week 1, June 1st through June 8th. I'm showing this as an example, but of course this may not be accurate for your time frame. After you click OK, you'll see that you can drag and drop classwork. So let's go ahead and drag and drop the two things we've done so far. Students will see your class materials grouped by topic, making it easier to locate specific resources or assignments. Let's create a second week just to see. Now in my Classwork tab, you can see all topics. In this case, it's organized by week. You can also change the drop-down from all topics to a specific week to help students organize better. That ends our second video on creating and organizing content.